G'day guys, this is Rica Erickson Nature Reserve. Do yourself a favour. Now this Bonanza specimen, guys. Look at that. This is on my hand. Everyone else just stacked it in the bushes. Just spotted this bad boy. I have no idea what it is. If it's a cowslip, it's massive. Massive, ginormous cowslip if it is. Rica Erickson Reserve. Put it on your list, guys. It's pretty bomber. It's just like, it's wildflower galore cinch. This thing's cool. Never seen that before. Purple pea flowers. Never seen a purple pea flower before. Beauty. Film some of these. I don't know what they are. They look cool as well though. Bit of a spider cluster here, guys. Spider, 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 spider cluster.